Open up the case, lay the pieces on the table. Open up the case, lay the pieces on the table. Specs in my head, push the power to the stable. Shiny new boy with the copper traces gleam, turning loose parts to a living, breathing dream. Clicking the RAM, hear it snapping into place. Paste on the chip, silver mirror on its face. Drop in the card, heavy metal in the frame. Ready for the world that will load up in my name. In a quiet little storm, yeah. Boot screen flashes, the machine is taking form. Hours in the dark, but my focus feels like light. Building up a home for the games I'll play all night.